This demo shows an unmanned aerial vehicle flying over the access road to the Huntsville Arsenal. Video and drone telemetry data is extracted from a MISB-compatible video stream and converted to standard OGC data streams. Platform location and orientation as well as sensor orientation and focal length are used to compute the view frustum and georeference the video frames in real time. This process is also called draping on terrain. A vehicle has been identified as carrying radioactive material and is tracked automatically by the UAV. The vehicle is detected and tracked in the video using an image processing algorithm called object tracking. The output of this process is also streamed in real time using the same OGC APIs. The vehicle triggers radiation detectors as it passes by. Measurements and alerts generated by the radiation detectors are also delivered in real time to the application. All data streams used in this demonstration are self-described using the O&M and SWI common standards. All sensors and processing chains are thoroughly described using the sensor modeling language, or SensorML. The data is made available using an experimental OGC API called SensorWeb API.